Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to link Google scheduling calendar to Payhip. So here's a simple but a clear guide on how to connect your Google Calendar or other scheduling tools to your Payhip store to let customer book an appointment easily. So I'm going to walk you through two different methods you can use to link your Google scheduling calendar. So one of the method is you use your Payhip's booking widget. So to do this, use a widget tools like a Google Calendar or Outlook. So to get started with that, create a booking widget and link it with your Google Calendar or Outlook, or you can also use Zoom. Then customize your availability, your branding, and your reminder in the widget. So after that, copy the embedded code and paste it into your Payhip product or a page description. So from there, your Google Calendar will automatically sync with your booking, which made through your Payhip. And also you can use this method, which is to use Zipper or Paddy integration. So to do this, sign up for Zipper or Padly Connect. From there, create a new integration, which is for Zipper or a workflow between a Payhip and a Google Calendar. And after that, you have to trigger. So select an event like a new sales or a new membership subscription on Payhip. Then from there, choose to create event on your Google Calendar to add a booking or a reminder. Then after that, set up a mapping field, for example, a customer's name, a product, and a date and time. Then turn on the integration. So Payhip transaction will now be automatically create Google Calendar event. And that's it. Find a video up pro, turn on the notification button, and subscribe for more. Thanks.